Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in today's video, I'm going to unpackage and review a case that I purchased on Amazon for the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So this is a case from a really well-known brand that no one has ever heard of called BEEJTUNY. So that's BEEJTUNY. So BEEJTUNY. It seems to be one of those made-up Amazon brands, and it's a case that should offer MagSafe or magnetic support for the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Right, what I'm going to do now is open up the bag, and here we have the case with a little bit of styrofoam holding the case in shape, and as you can see it has the magnetic circle here for your magnets and a camera cutout, all the usual cutouts, and we'll go over those in a bit of detail. Right, I'll wipe the camera lenses on the Magic 7 Pro and start by slipping in the case so that the buttons are on the right hand side. Okay, first impressions, really nice, not too thick, and most importantly it doesn't impede side gestures when using the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So it goes to the very edge of the screen without having too much thickness. This is a good thing for gesture navigation on the Android operating system, but it is a risk because you have your screen a little bit more exposed. And in this case I have the built-in plastic screen protector, but this, in my view, does leave a little bit of risk there. Right, let's have a look at the cutouts, starting from the top. We've got the light sensors and the microphone at the top, speaker grill. On the left-hand side, we have nothing. There's nothing there. At the bottom, cutout for microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill. There is a lanyard loop at the bottom right of the device, and you have your extensions for power button and volume rocker. So let's just have a check of that. So volume down works fine, volume up works fine. There's no stickiness there, it's working, all working as expected. And as I was saying, in terms of gesture navigation, that's not an issue, it works fine. And at the back, as we saw, the magnetic bits for MagSafe-like accessories, and then all the appropriate cutouts for the camera. Now, unlike the display, the camera protection does have a little bit of depth here, so you're less likely to scratch the glass on that amazing camera module at the back. I actually quite like this case. It's not perfect, but if it had a little bit more depth to the sides and the top to protect the screen, I would be very, very happy with that. But I have to say, overall, pretty decent. And considering this case is £12 on Amazon UK, that's around about $15 US, excluding Trump tariffs. So I think that's a pretty decent buy in my view. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics like smartphones, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. If you would like to purchase this case, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can do so. If you do so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks with that affiliate link. We'll get a small percentage of the amount you pay buying the case from Amazon. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye from me.